Say, look, Daddy, I'm sweeping. Mommy's taught me to do good. Her's already cleaning up her own messes and sweeping. Her's just such a good girl. Her is. Her sweeping. Sweeping? Yeah, show Daddy how you sweep it. Stand up and do it. Stand up. Here. Sweeping. Good girl. You gonna bend down and do it? You gotta have a dustpan, don't you? Where's your vacuum cleaner? Where's your vacuum cleaner? Go get it. Go find your vacuum cleaner. Where's it at? Hers got her vacuum cleaner. Yeah, you do it. That's yours. Mommy's got one. Show you how to do it?